sa Paris. Nasungkit ni Yulo ang unang gold sa men's vault at ang pangalawang gold medal nito ay sa men's floor, kung saan nakuha naman ng half Filipino, British and bronze medal na si Jake Jarman. Pero sino nga ba ang nasa likod ng tagumpay ni Carlos Yulo? Sino nga ba ang sumuporta at umaalalay sa kanya mula umpisa hanggang makamit nito ang tagumpay sa Paris Olympics? Ating kilalanin ang kanyang coach na si Lynn Hazel Calawod or Coach Hazel Calawod. From commercial modeling to sports therapy, siya rin ang founder ng Neurobalance and Precision Sports Therapy. Ang ganda ni Coach Hazel, oh! Look at her! Sana all! She manages Yulo's biomechanics, collecting scientific data to enhance his performance and support him through intense training and high-stakes competitions. We salute both Carlos and the coaches ng team. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.